In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new file in Figma. Figma is an incredibly powerful and collaborative tool for design, and one of the very first things you'll need to know is how to start a new project. Whether you're beginning a fresh design, an exciting prototype, or simply want a blank canvas to experiment with, creating a new file is your gateway into the Figma environment. This fundamental skill is essential for any designer, new or experienced. And thankfully, Figma makes it very straightforward. We'll walk through the process step by step, ensuring you understand not just what to click, but why, so you can confidently kick off your next creative endeavor. Let's dive right in. The very first action you'll take is to locate and click the Figma icon. You'll find this distinctive icon, which resembles the Figma F logo, in the upper left corner of your Figma application window. It's prominently displayed there, acting as your main gateway to the application's core menus and functionalities. Think of it as the central hub from which you can access a wide array of options, including file management, preferences, and more. Clicking this icon will reveal a drop-down menu, giving you access to various commands that govern your design files and overall Figma experience. It's a crucial starting point for navigating the application and initiating many of its powerful features. Once you've clicked the Figma icon, a comprehensive menu will appear. From this list of options, you'll want to click on the word File. This File option is a standard convention in many software applications, and Figma uses it to house all the essential operations related to managing your design files. Within the File menu, you'll typically find commands like opening existing files, saving your current work, exporting assets, and, of course, the option we're looking for today: creating something entirely new. Selecting File will then present you with a further submenu, narrowing down your choices to specific file-related actions. Finally, within that File submenu, your next step is to click on New Design. This is the command that truly brings a fresh canvas into existence. When you select New Design, Figma will immediately open up a brand new, empty design file for you. This new file will typically appear as a fresh tab within your current Figma window, providing you with a pristine, blank workspace where your creative journey can begin.